Hi, I'm Hbomb from Up Your Edit, and today's video is how to manage green screen within Davinci Resolve. The first thing you want to do is right-click within your node section and add an alpha output. Now you see at the minute we've got two green dots at the beginning and the end of your ins and your outputs. We want to add an alpha output so it's there, and then you want to select the blue box on the end of your node and attach it to your blue alpha output that you've just created. Now that's immediately gotten rid of the background. So firstly, make sure that you're working on the correct clip. So you have put the alpha output on the green screened clip that you want to handle. And now we want to go across to the qualifier tool and we want to select the greens that we want to get rid of. So I'm going to go across the top here and make sure I'm getting all of the areas that I can see are still hanging around. And the thing that you'll have found first is that it's showing me the wrong part. So I'm just going to extend the hue areas because I see that there's a few patchy bits. So I'm just going to extend this a little so it seems a lot clearer. And then there's this button here, which is your invert button in Davinci. So I'm just going to press this. And there I am. You've got buttons in here like denoise, your clean blacks, whites, blur radius, your ins and outs. You've also got number 2 where you've got more things. So if you ever need to finesse any of the areas, if you feel like you've got a little bit of green on the edges, then you can play around with these buttons here. But the next thing that you're gonna want to do is create a mask. So what we want to do is go back to the window tool and we can just put a box on here, and I'm just going to expand the size of that box in the transform section. So I can just move this around, get it somewhere I want it to be. Now you can see I've got my full picture back. Check out some of these videos to learn more about Davinci Resolve and Premiere Pro.